How do auto title loans affect your credit? Have you ever wondered how taking out an auto title loan might impact your credit? Let's break it down in a straightforward way. Auto title loans are short-term loans where your vehicle title acts as collateral. This means if you do not repay the loan, the lender can take your car. One key point is that most auto title lenders do not check your credit score before giving you a loan. Because of this, your credit score usually does not change just because you took out an auto title loan. Also, many lenders do not report your payment history to credit bureaus. So, if you make timely payments, it typically does not help build your credit like a traditional loan would. However, there are some indirect ways these loans can affect your credit. If you fail to repay the loan, the lender may repossess your vehicle. Losing your car can make it difficult to get to work or manage daily tasks. This can lead to more financial issues down the line. If the lender sells your car and the sale does not cover the full loan amount, they might send the remaining debt to a collection agency. This is where it gets serious. A collection account will show up on your credit report, which can hurt your credit score significantly. Another thing to keep in mind is that auto title loans often come with high fees and interest rates. If you miss payments, you might end up rolling over the loan, which adds even more fees. This can create a cycle of debt that makes it harder to pay off the loan and can lead to further credit damage. From the perspective of banks and credit unions, auto title loans are riskier than traditional personal loans. They are typically short-term and high cost, and they do not help build credit unless the lender reports to credit bureaus. Banks and credit unions usually recommend loans that report payment history to help you build or improve your credit score. In some cases, if an auto title loan lender does report to credit bureaus and you make consistent on-time payments, it might help your credit profile. But this is not common and not something you can count on with most auto title loans. So, while auto title loans can provide quick cash, they usually do not help your credit score unless payments are reported. The main risk to your credit comes from defaulting on the loan, which can lead to repossession and collections that can harm your credit. It's always wise to consider safer alternatives that can help you manage your finances and build your credit responsibly.